Okay, so you're in that tabletop position. Take your hands, clasp them, elbows shoulder width apart. Take your head to the ground. And from here, start to lift the hips up. Pull one knee in, and then pull the other knee in. Then you got the wall behind you. Start to lift one leg up, and you can work on, whoops, I was lifting my head off the ground. You could work on the core here. So I'm a little bit too close to the wall, but you can start to work on the core by pulling the belly in, bringing the feet together. Maybe the foot touches the wall again, and bring the feet together. And really just noticing the weight here. Right now, I'm hanging in my back so much. I'm going to pull my belly in, really to find that core strength. Okay? So, then come into your child's pose. Shake out your head. And that's how you do your headstand against the wall. So, hopefully this is a helpful video for you guys to practice so that you feel confident to explore the practice in a yoga class, because I think that's one of the things that I've been told that happens to be really fun, that people want to actually be able to do this in a yoga class and not be afraid. Just want to let you know, nobody cares about your practice. They only really care about their own practice. So don't feel self-conscious in a yoga class. You know, if anybody's competing with you or anyone who wants to think that they're better than you, ignore them. They're dealing with that issue. That's the issue. You just worry about yourself. I don't think that anybody else is looking at you, because they're not. They're all just trying to do their practice, which is what yoga is all about, doing your practice, getting to know yourself and getting to feel comfortable in the world with just being in the world. So just being present and not in your head, and being connected, have the mind be connected with the body. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you found the video helpful to you, and if you have any questions, or if you want me to post any other videos or break down any other poses or anything like that. I really appreciate that you're watching this right now, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna go to the beach right now. Namaste.